Savai'i. 6:30 in the morning, so we're all driving to the pier.
Yeah, the wolf.
We're gonna ride the boat. Are you ready to ride the boat?
Yeah, I'm bringing it back.
Alright. Ferry. Hi guys. Talia. Hi. What's that, Talia Oliver? Can I take a photo of you? Got it, Talia? That's it. You ready? Yeah! Sardine van. How many are 1, 2, 4, 5. Sing.
Every drop I drink, blow my soda pop, my soda pop. Change song. So fun, I've been in.
We're going up!
Gonna be golden. Oh, we have another camera over there. What the? I don't know what that is.
Oh, go watch the blowholes. See the blowholes? Yeah?
Yeah. The tree.
Open and go and jump, okay?
In the hole.
Jump. We're just kids. Yeah, I want to jump. Me too. I want to jump.
You see the blowholes? Yeah?
We're swimming?
You see blowholes?
Yay! We're going to the sea like this? No. Oh, I want to go there.
Ready to see the blowholes? Watch Papa. Watch where you're stepping in.
Wait.
Emma! Seeing the blowholes in person was such an amazing experience. It was a once-in-a-lifetime experience that me and my family will never forget. It's safe to say that it was the highlight of our Savai'i trip. Yeah.
Mom, I found a dead fish.
Yeah.
That was good.
Now, our next stop is
Here in Afu Waterfalls. We just came from the Blowholes and now we're gonna go swim. Well, we're not, but the kids will. How are you?
Good. Just
Yes.
tired.
It's a once in a lifetime experience. There's fishes and crawfish and little,
Good for drinking.
yeah. Amo. So we just spent the rest of the afternoon in the waterfalls, and after swimming, we all drove to the place where we stayed the night, which was right in front of the beach. We had our fales. It was a beautiful place, and after we arrived at our fale, we all had a swim because we had the beach right in front of our place, so it was a good time to wind down. Nice. Oliver, what's that? Fale. We're in the Fale. What our Fale looks like. You have a mosquito net, no walls. The beach in the front here, if you guys could hear the waves. Taking off the kids' clothes because it's very hot. But it will cool down in a while. If you guys could hear the beach, it's right in front of us. When we get off this Fale, it's the white sand straight away. Listen to the waves.
Tomorrow, I wake up on the beach.
We'll end our vlog here for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Good night. Just woke up. The following day we all have to go home as we have to prepare for Christmas. But that's it for Savai'i vlog. It was short but a sweet one. Going home. Bye bye Savai'i. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in our future vlogs. Bye.